Have you ever walked into someone's spotless house and instantly felt calm and impressed, yet your own home feels like a constant stressful mess every single day? What if I told you daily clean people think completely differently from the rest of us? Their brains actually work in a special way that gives more peace and stronger self-control. Today, we'll reveal the hidden psychology behind people who keep their house clean every day. Messy homes create constant mental stress that keeps your brain feeling overwhelmed every single day. But people who clean daily lower their cortisol levels and experience much deeper mental peace. Every small cleaning task gives them a dopamine boost that makes them feel happy and accomplished. This gives them a huge advantage by reducing their mental load and freeing up brain energy. Clean people also build stronger self-discipline and confidence through their daily cleaning habits. Daily cleaners often score higher in conscientiousness and love of order and structure. Their minds stay clearer and more focused compared to people living in messy environments. They enjoy simple routines like making the bed because it sets a positive tone for the day. This daily habit actually trains their brain to have much stronger willpower and self-control. Over time, they build real confidence that spreads into every area of their daily life. Clean people usually have more mental clarity and higher energy levels than messy individuals. Their daily routines create a strong sense of accomplishment and personal satisfaction every day. You too can shift your mindset and slowly turn your messy home into a calm space. People who keep their house clean every day enjoy greater peace and harmony in their daily lives. Here are some simple psychology tricks you can start using to become a clean person. Start with just one small cleaning task each day to build the habit gradually over time. Put every item back in its proper place immediately to reduce mental clutter instantly. You will notice your mind feels much clearer and lighter after maintaining a clean space. Daily cleaning creates a peaceful home where you can truly relax and recharge every evening. Consistency is the real secret that turns cleaning into a natural part of your life. Set small daily reminders to help you maintain the cleaning habit without much effort. Celebrate every small win because each cleaning task builds your confidence and motivation. Your anxiety levels will drop dramatically once you experience the calm of a tidy space. Daily cleaning improves your sleep quality, focus, and overall happiness in surprising ways. People who keep their house clean every day truly live more balanced and joyful lives. You will wake up feeling refreshed and positive when your home stays clean every day. A tidy environment helps you stay focused and productive throughout your entire working day. Cleaning becomes completely natural once you turn it into a simple daily routine. The difference between messy and clean lifestyles is truly visible in energy and happiness. Anyone can develop this powerful psychology by choosing cleanliness as their daily habit. The best decision you can make today is choosing a clean and organized lifestyle. This simple habit brings lasting calm, mental clarity, and real personal success. You will be amazed how easy and joyful maintaining cleanliness becomes with practice. Your life improves in every way when your home stays clean every single day. A tidy home creates the perfect foundation for a happier and brighter future. Now you understand the powerful psychology behind people who keep their house clean daily. They enjoy deeper peace, better focus, and a much happier way of living every day. You can start this transformation today by making cleanliness your new daily habit. Join thousands who changed their lives through the simple power of a tidy home. Start cleaning your house today and transform your mind and life forever. Like, share, and subscribe for more psychology tips.